Hello, good people of the free world. Tom Cellie here with Unlimited Profits, and today I want to show you a new app that I just became aware of. It's called Adobe Photoshop Express. Now, I already did a post talking about the need for your online presence, right? The need for all of your photos to be sized right and optimized correctly. And the app that I was talking about then was Picnic. Now, what I like about Adobe Photoshop Express is it actually gives you a more intuitive user interface, and it gives you actually much more functionality than Picnic. And it will also do the same as Picnic in the respect that you can bring your Flickr photos and your Picasa photos into Express. So I highly recommend that you start using it. You can get there by going to photoshop.com/tools. Photoshop.com/tools. Now, you're going to have or create an ID there. And the cool thing about what Adobe does is it gives you these thumbnails where you can see how it's going to optimize the picture just by mousing over the thumbnail. And I'll show you what I mean. If you got this great, mountain picture here. If I go to, say, exposure, you see these thumbnails pop up. If I mouse over the thumbnails, right, nearly in real time, you see the picture change. It's getting lighter. We go over to the dark exposures, and that's going to be true with a lot of these different functions. Touch up, sample size, drag over the area you want to retouch. It's like the rubber stamp tool in Photoshop. Saturation. So this is all good and fine, right? And a lot of this stuff you can do in Picnic, but this is what I really like, Without going through all these features, you can play around with the features. But this is under the Edit tab, but if I click over to Decorate, this is what's important. Here you have a set of tools where you can not only manipulate, the picture, but you can actually add to the picture. And one of the most important things I want to point out is that you can put text in the picture. So, you could put something like, brought to you by unlimitedprofits.com. Now, how valuable will that be, in your marketing efforts if you can start putting messages, putting links, on the images? Very, very important. Of course, you can change the color of that text. You can choose how the text is aligned and all the ins and outs of that. And you could put little thought bubbles. That's kind of neat. So this is giving you quite a bit much more than Picnic, and it's absolutely free. And that's, again, what I love about the web in 2011 is the new business model is free. And it's a brilliant, brilliant thing. So navigate over to photoshop.com/tools. It's going to allow you to upload your Picasa and your Flickr photos, and just have a party with it. Start making your own banners. So real quick, I uploaded a picture of myself because I saw some fun little tools here I wanted to kind of play with. Under the Decorate tab, you've got expressions, miscellaneous, costumes, right? That can be kind of fun. And so, you can pick some of this kind of corny, goofy stuff. You can size everything. Right? That's kind of fun. There's a sports category. Yeah, the basketball. It's I mean, you can have a lot of fun with this. I mean, you can use this for business, but you could also have quite a bit of fun just goofing around with it and spice up your photos. Take advantage of the free tools on the cloud. I know this is the future of all apps. There's so much piracy in the software world, and one way for companies to keep hackers from pirating stuff is to make it available online via secure password. And if you do that, then the only way people will be able to access the app is via the cloud. And that's what cloud living is all about. I don't know if these apps will transfer over well to a smartphone. It might be kind of a small space to be working with on a smartphone, but definitely plug into this thing, start editing your photos, make all your profile images just shine, put headings and titles on the photos. Have a blast with Adobe Photoshop Express. And again, navigate over to photoshop.com/tools. And until next time, this is Tom Cellie with Live on the Cloud saying thanks and God bless.